Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send files from iPhone to PC with Localsend. So first we are going for the PC. So first thing is go to localsend.org and you should be able to see download over here. So click on download and from here you should be able to see here multiple platform and you can just simply select exe over here and just simply download the Localsend into your Windows. I will have the full tutorial on our channel as well, so make sure to check that out. And once you open the Localsend, just simply go for the receive. So now let's move on to our iPhone. Now guys, on our iPhone, first thing is just simply go to the App Store into your device, tap the search icon at the bottom right, and search for Localsend. And now from here, make sure to download this application as well into your device. Just simply tap on open. Now over here. Now guys, over here right away, you should be able to have three tabs as well. You will have receive and send. So I'm going to be sending some files into my desktop. So from here at the top, you should be able to see here media, text, paste, and file. So from here, I will be sending a photo. So I'm going to go for media over here. And from here, just simply tap on allow full access. It is asking for permission. Now from here, I have a photo down below. And from here, just simply select as many files as you can or which file that you want and tap on confirm. And from here, you will have the file over here. So you could just simply select add over here to add more. You could add media, text, or folder. Now from here, you should be able to have nearby devices, which is my PC, and tap on it. Now from here, guys, it will look something like this. As you can see, it is from my iPhone, and just simply select accept, and you should be able to have the file over here. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.